Hi everybody, and welcome to our OneLaunch YouTube channel. We are so happy you're here to watch our videos and to learn more about what OneLaunch has to offer. OneLaunch, if you don't know yet, is where I'm hovering my mouse here. It's the desktop docked search application that docks to the top of your Windows PC. OneLaunch is jam-packed with features and functionality to make you that much more efficient on your computers and on the web each and every day. But that's what all the other videos on this YouTube channel are all about. This video, I just want to say, hey, welcome to our OneLaunch YouTube channel. We are happy that you're here. We hope that you do head through other videos here, watch them all, learn everything there is to know about OneLaunch, and really get a sense for what you can do throughout our software product. There's video here on our features, our functionality, our theming and customization options, demos and walkthroughs for all the apps and widgets. Really, everything you need to know about our software is present here in video format on our OneLaunch YouTube channel. So thanks so much for coming and checking them out. We hope you enjoy the videos and we hope you enjoy OneLaunch. If there's anything that you need to know that's not already referenced here in video format, please reach out at support@onelaunch.com and let us know the video or videos we're missing, and we will do our utmost to respond with new videos accordingly. So thanks again. Welcome again. We're excited to have OneLaunch as a part of your computer experience daily.